Need to update your details? In this quick guide, we'll show you how to update your billing address, shipping address, and email on your Aquataps account, so your deliveries and notifications stay on track. Let's get started. Head over to our website at aquataps.co.uk and click the account link in the top right corner. Log in using your username or email and password. If you've forgotten your password, simply click on the Lost Your Password link to reset it. Enter your email address and click the Reset button. A password reset link will be sent directly to your email inbox. Once logged in, go to the Addresses tab in your account dashboard. From there, choose whether you want to update your billing address or shipping address. Now, fill in your new details. Before saving, make sure to tick the box that says, "Update the address used for all future renewals of my active subscriptions." This step is important. It ensures all future filter deliveries go to the correct address. Finally, click Save to confirm your changes. Need to update the email address linked to your Aquataps account? Here's how to do it. Once you're logged in, head to the Account Details tab from your account dashboard. Here, you'll see the option to update your email address. Simply enter the new email address you'd like to use for your account, save changes to confirm the update, and that's it. Your email address is now updated and ready to use. Thanks for choosing Aquataps.